Hey, Christy-Mattoon here from Mindrewire. I just wanted to show you this for a quick second. Let me see if this will focus in. There we go. So this is 35% H2O2, which is hydrogen peroxide. This is where I got it from. This is actually part of a kit, so this is the first part of the kit, but I just wanted to show you this by itself because here's what I do with it. Let me refocus here. There we go. This is a sink full of hatch chilies that I just got out of a grocery store for $1.50 a pound, which wasn't too horrible. They came straight out of Hatch, New Mexico, and they're GMO free and all that stuff. But when I wash anything, even out of my own garden, I'm putting it in a sink with a couple of drops, probably a quarter tablespoon of this stuff, right, of 35%. Focus back in for me. 35% H2O2, hydrogen peroxide, because it sterilizes pretty much anything that's on the outside of it. I think taking your best interest in health to heart, it's raining out right now. We've got a lot of rain coming in our area, and whatever's falling out of the sky, whatever they're bringing down from all the seeding they've been doing, is landing on the stuff you're growing. So I've been washing everything, including my herbs. I soak it in this stuff before I dry my herbs for processing, and any other produce that I'm getting out of my garden. I wash in a little bit of this before we ingest it, because we don't really know what's coming out of the sky at this point. So just a little tip. That's what I've been doing. If you've got something better, or you've got something you've been using that you think works well, please share that below. I greatly appreciate your feedback.